ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Myntri rangba ka jalau Conrad kongkal sangma haka khat sautarik unopra arajar arpulai Ïakynduh kerpang yaka Nirmala Sitharaman kabalongka Myntri kabapet yaka tanat Tyngka jongka Sorkar India ban pensngau haka bayadai bat ki project prepare yaki baka Sorkar India ka juai jingkershan yaki jela hapok kari lengba ki externally aided project bat kumjuru halor ki kampen roy ki badang ya syakhamat. Hau kerwa belapa syakilat patai kubor Conrad sangma ulayatu baga Myntri kala syak skor. Yagane ke jingkerpat bat kularu ban yarap kat bala nagaliang jongka.
My second meeting was today with the Honorable Finance Minister, Srimati Nirmala Sitharamanji. Again, I briefed her about the different projects going on through the Capital Investment Fund that the Government of India is supporting different states with. Through the externally aided projects that we're doing, and also different kind of other development works that are going on. And I requested the Honorable Finance Minister to support us further in the externally aided projects, as the Government of India has put a cap on different states, on the limit to which states can take externally aided projects, and hence we have requested her to increase the ceiling and give additional projects to states who are performing, states like Meghalaya, which have already taken a large number of projects, but since our performance has been good, we requested that we be supported. Finance Minister has given a positive response, and she has assured us of help and support, and that she will definitely give it a positive consideration. So we look forward to their support from the Finance Ministry and from the Honorable Prime Minister, so that we can able to achieve the different targets and the goals that we have set for the state of Meghalaya.